The place I am lucky to call my home, Esperance, is one of Western Australia's most photogenic places. It was no surprise to locals when our town was recently picked as a location in the film adaptation of Dirt Music, written by celebrated WA author Tim Winton. Of course, it makes sense that the widest beaches in the world would be home of the story's White Point. I was invited by the crew to come armed with my drone and capture a different perspective of the filming in our community. I loved meeting the actors and crew. It was incredible to see all the hard work that goes into making a movie of this magnitude. So many people, each with a very particular role for it to all come together. Many of our locals got to witness this too, when they were involved in the shoot. The day we filmed at Bandy Creek, some of my neighbours and friends were there as assistants, and we'll be able to catch them on screen as extras in the crowd and working on the boat. It was fantastic to see our local cray fishermen and their vessels working in a totally different way. The magic doesn't just happen when the film crew turn up on set. I was able to watch part of a scene being put together on one of our gravel roads, usually reserved for farmers taking a shortcut. Set up during the day with the help from many local companies, and then filmed at night, watching the transition from empty space to working set. Really made me appreciate how a community can get involved and be a part of a film. Twilight Cove and Blue Haven were popular locations for the cast and crew to relax on their days off, and are locations that we'll now get to see in the film. A scene at Blue Haven involving some special effects required our local lifeguards to ensure the safety of actors and crew. The local townsfolk were more than happy to oblige when some of their favourite beach location car parks were closed off to allow the massive congregation of trucks carrying film set equipment to take priority during filming. I can't wait for people to see how great Esperance looks on screen when they watch Dirt Music.